Well, this is regarding the loot controversy that's also now garnering major steam as far as Karnataka politics is concerned. BJP had made a serious allegation that Karnataka had become an ATM for the Congress party to be used in the upcoming Bihar elections, and that the targets have already been set for each of the ministers. This led to a sharp response that came in from the Karnataka government. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar have hit back, saying the BJP and its leaders are peddling not just pure lies, but also that they come up with hit-and-run statements, and also that they should provide any of this claim only with some proof. If not, then they should not come up with these allegations. Let's play out some of those reactions and sound bites for you, and then we go back to Deepak for more on this.
ಬಿಹಾರ್ಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಅವರ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಿಹಾರ್ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಫಂಡನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಲೂಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದೆ ವಸೂಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದೆ ರಿನ್ಯೂವಲ್ ಅಂತೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಂಧೆ ಮುಗೀತು, ಈಗ ರಿನ್ಯೂವಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಖಾತೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ವಸೂಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಹಾರ್ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ದಂಧೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಬಿಹಾರಿಗೂ ಕಳಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಲುಪಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಲುಪುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದೊಂದು ಬಿಹಾರ್ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ವಸೂಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ವಸೂಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ದಾಖಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಾಖಲೆ ಸಮೇತ ಅವರು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಆರೋಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸುಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳಿದೆ, ರಾಘವರನ್ನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Deepak Bopanna, my colleague, continues to be with us on the broadcast, telling us more as far as what all is rocking Karnataka politics. Well, it looks like an issue a day at this stage, Deepak, isn't it?
Absolutely, and in the past as well, such allegations have been levelled that Karnataka is being used as an ATM to fund either the party or even other elections as well. Now with the Bihar elections, of course, just around the corner, the BJP MP Raghavendra making these allegations. The Karnataka Congress is really pumping out money into Bihar. This is of course being vehemently denied by the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, and the other leaders, who are all saying that the BJP, of course, is just trying to divert from the real issues, and more importantly, here make allegations which probably suit them the best. They've even countered it by saying that it was the BJP which probably did something similar. They put out some old videos, statements to even say that this is the BJP which was in the habit of sending money to the centre and now making the same allegations against the Congress.